Hello everyone. If you've been trying to include more millets in your diet but miss your soft traditional idlis, this recipe is for you. Today I'm making soft ragi millet idlis without rice that are fluffy, delicious and easy to digest. And they include so many benefits for weight loss and diabetic friendly diets. Let's get started. Part 1 soaking. Take 1 cup ragi and wash it well. I'm using finger millet, also known as ragi, but other millets work beautifully too. Soak the ragi 6 to 8 hours. In another bowl, place the urad dal, also known as ulunthu. Wash it well. Then soak with fenugreek seeds for 6 to 8 hours. About 30 minutes before grinding, soak the poha or aval. Part 2 grinding. First grind the washed ragi with just enough water to run the mixie or grinder. Do not add too much water as the runny batter will not form good idlis. Scrape down the ragi in between grinding and add a little more water as needed. Grind the ragi into a slightly smooth batter. The ragi will feel slightly grainy like semolina. Transfer it to a large glass or ceramic bowl. Do not use a metal container. Then add the soaked poha into the washed urad dal. Add the urad dal and poha into the grinder. Add just enough water to get a smooth batter. Scrape down in between and add more water as needed until the batter is light and fluffy. Add the batter into the bowl. Now mix both batters thoroughly. Add salt and mix well to incorporate air and make the batter lighter. Part 3 fermentation. Cover and allow the batter to ferment overnight or for 8 to 10 hours. The batter should double in volume and become light and airy. This fermentation step is what gives us soft and fluffy idlis. Part 4 steaming. Grease the idli molds with some sesame seed oil. Pour the batter into each idli mold up to the top. Place in the idli steamer. Steam for 12 to 15 minutes. Switch off the heat and allow idlis to rest in the cooker for 10 minutes. Then remove the trays and allow to cool down for 10 minutes. Once they have cooled down, it will be easy to remove idlis from the molds. Look at these beautifully soft ragi idlis that are easy to take out. They are perfect for those on a weight loss journey or on a diabetic diet. Ragi or finger millets have so many health benefits, so make sure to add them to your diet at least twice a week. Part 5 serving. These ragi idlis are healthy, filling and perfect for breakfast or dinner. They can be served with coconut chutney and sambar, or even with any curries that you have at home. Look at how soft they are, even without adding any rice. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next recipe.